Alright, this is my tour of my design project. My design project is going to be a website for my dual credit U.S. history class. It is designed for a flipped classroom environment so that my students can in class collaborate, work in small groups, and it'll give us some time to actually really dive more deeply into the subjects of U.S. history. There's just so much of U.S. history that we have to cover in a short amount of time. The way it's set up is because of block scheduling for high school at my district. It's broken up where we will have like 3 days of, it's an A-B schedule, so we'll have sometimes 3 A days in a week, or we'll have 3 B days in a week. So that's why you'll see, okay, day one is an A, both. So what I do on Monday, I'll do on Tuesday for my B schedule as well. So if you didn't know what block scheduling was. So let's dive into the units. The units are broken up by the time eras, the eras that I want them to focus on. I did the Gilded Age first because I had materials ready for that. So the Gilded Age, week 1, as you can see, it is given, each day is given a different title, and that's what we are going to focus on for that day. And as you'll see as we go through the rest of the unit, the other days, other units are broken up similar. You have the objectives right here. These are what we are going to cover that day. As you can see, each day that we cover a new topic on the Gilded Age gives the students a new objective to learn. So, and it's usually based off of the TEKs that we have to do. If you go to the right, you will see assignments. Don't know why it just highlighted that. But you'll see the assignments. This is what the student will have to do before they walk into my class. They will have to read. Usually at the start of every unit, I have them read a chapter. They will have to take notes using Google Slides, and I usually throw in a video that they have to watch to kind of sum up everything that they read and sort of the PowerPoint. Alright, I'm using Google, as you can see, I'm using for the notes Google Slides. I've uploaded my PowerPoint so that the students can click through the PowerPoint at their own leisure and take notes. This is interesting. The second Industrial Revolution video, if you click here, it does a play post-it and it redirects them to a different site. What they have to do is they have to they'll play the video. They'll have to, I already did this, but you'll have to click on the class you want, and then I'll pause that. And then you'll have to enter your name, and I get to see their responses to the different questions that I have embedded embedded into the video. So let's just click out of that. And then there's a class, as you can see, again, there's usually a video every section. Sometimes I have an assignment that they need to do before a class, like, hey, read this article, or do a political cartoon analysis, because we're going to probably do a simulation in class if I have them do that. And then each day they'll know what to expect when they walk into class, because we have the classwork section. As you can see, week 2 is broken up the same way. Week 2 is broken up the same way. And then you get to week 3, and the first day of week 3 will be a Gilded Age test. They'll have the weekend to review the materials that they need before they walk into class. As you can see, it's going to be a multiple choice question test, short answer question test, and they'll have 2 essays. And then I provided some review material for them. Well, this is my design project. Sorry I had to go so fast, but you have the link if you want to go and look at it further.